Hi everyone, and welcome to another video tutorial for Exchange Server admins. In this video, we will see how to perform dial tone recovery to avoid downtime. Now, let's perform dial tone recovery on a single server. Before you begin dial tone recovery, ensure that the user account with schema admin level permissions on mailboxes. Let's take a live scenario. Let's dismount the dial tone database. Now, log into Exchange Server with the administrator level profile. Press Win plus R, type services.msc, and click OK. Stop Microsoft Exchange Search Service. Stop Microsoft Exchange Search Host Controller Service. Stop Microsoft Exchange Information Store Service. Now you can see users are not able to send and receive new emails, as you can see OWA is not accessible, as the database is dismounted. 6. Now go to the corrupt EDB folder location. A. Rename the EDB folder name with _OLD. Now, again start all three stopped services. Microsoft Exchange Information Store Service, Microsoft Exchange Search Service, Microsoft Exchange Search Host Controller Service. Now mount the database. It will prompt a warning message. Click OK to create an empty database. Now you can see the database is successfully mounted. This process will create a new dial tone database with the same name. The empty database will be mounted with all the mailboxes that were there in the corrupt EDB file. Now you can see James' mailbox is empty. Users can use a temporary mailbox for sending and receiving emails. The temporary mailbox helps to maintain business continuity while you are restoring the corrupt database. To repair a corrupt Exchange database, you can use Stellar Repair for Exchange software. Details are available in description to repair corrupt Exchange database using Stellar Repair for Exchange software. Thanks for watching.